this is our introduction of unemployment. So first of all, we're going to talk about the meaning of unemployment. So those who are unemployable and actively looking for work but are having a difficulty finding it are referred to be unemployed. A common misconception regarding the term unemployment is that it refers to those who are waiting to start working again after being let go, but it excludes those who have given up looking for work within the last 4 weeks. 4 weeks for a variety of reasons, such as quitting to further education, retiree, becoming disabled, or dealing with the personal matters. And now we are at 1.2, which is a type of unemployment. So the first one is demand deficit unemployment. Businesses that witness a decline in the demand for their goods or services react by reducing their output, which necessitates a reduction in manpower inside the company. Employees are essentially laid off. So the next one is fractional unemployment. It results from the typical job search process, and it typified by the brief unemployment times that people going through a job shift or those making their first foray into the labor encounter. Typically, it is short-lived as job seekers find new position relatively quickly. So the third one is structural unemployment. So what is structural unemployment? This is a long-term unemployment that results from a basic mismatch between an individual's talent and qualities and the demands of open position is known as structural unemployment. Significant economic developments such as those brought about by globalization, technical advancements, shifting consumer demand, and altered industrial practices frequently result in this type of unemployment. And the fourth one is voluntary unemployment, which is individuals who are unemployed willingly may do so for a variety of reasons, including going back to school, taking time off for personal or family obligations, or looking for a better employment alternative that better suits their interests, abilities, or career objective. So that's all the 4 types of unemployment.
Good day to sir. My name is VEEN and my metric number is 287449. So for now, I will be discussing the outlook for Malaysia's labour market in 2024. Malaysia's unemployment rate is projected to remain stable at 3.2% in 2024, slightly down from 3.4% in 2023. This stability reflects continuous growth in employment, supported by robust economic activities driven by strong domestic demand. Key drivers include a recovery in the manufacturing sector due to technology upcycles and realization of previous year investment. Despite overall stability, challenges persist in certain segments, which is youth unemployment remains high at 10.6%, and skill-related unemployment has reached a record high of 37.4%. However, positive impacts are expected from rising tourism activities and national projects, boosting sectors like retail, F&B, and accommodation. Besides, government initiatives such as the National Human Resource Policy Framework aim to enhance workforce skills, targeting a 35% skilled workforce by 2030. That's all from me, and I will pass it to next presenter.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is SHAFIZAH binti Sabri and my number metric is 299194. I would like to present about the causes of unemployment. Firstly, the causes of unemployment is economic factor. Unstable economic conditions lead to an increase in unemployment. Due to this, the demand for labor is decreasing. When the business cycle slumps, for example, when there is an economic recession, the demands for goods and services will fall. Due to this, the use of labor is not required in the employment sector. Next, social factor. The problem of unemployment can occur due to the low quality of education. Low education will limit one's knowledge. Nowadays, employers prefer employees with higher education because their knowledge is more extensive. If someone has a low education, the individual cannot meet the demands required to enter the job market. Lastly, technological factor. The advent of advanced technology is the threat to the main issue of unemployment in Malaysia. Machines, robots, and advanced tools are used to replace human labor to reduce labor force. Compared to humans, robots can work faster and more accurately for a long time. Due to this, many skilled and semi-skilled workers have lost their job. Next, the effects of unemployment. Firstly, the unemployment will affect the economy. The problem of unemployment will have a negative impact on the country's economy. Economic effect includes lowering the standard of living and reducing national output. This situation will lead to an increase in the poverty rate in the country. Secondly, social effect. When people do not have jobs, they will be directly involved in crime. As a result of the financial problems faced, they are willing to get involved in various crimes such as robbery and murder to get money. This will pose a threat to the safety of the community and subsequently to the country. Lastly, psychological effect. Unemployment will have a negative effect on individuals who lost their jobs. Individuals will experience extreme pressure and stress due to financial problems due to not having a job. Many newspapers have shown that the percentage of individuals of commit suicide is increasing every year due to this issue.
Education helps provide the most valuable skill and knowledge to help young people getting jobs that suitable to them. Having a proper education and training program also helps to provide a wider range of career options. It gives you the access to the higher position in a company. Having a higher level of education and certification can show the potential employer that you have the skill and knowledge to the position. It helps you understanding the current trend and working environment and stay relevant in the job market. The second one is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is self-employment. It has flexibility, financial growth, and chance to pursue self-passion and interest. Many unemployed people have the ability and skill to do well in their interests but don't know how to start or where to start. But if they start their own business with their own skills, that will be the beginning of their career. Entrepreneur also a good option to show individual creativity in innovation. As many entrepreneurs enter the market, many innovations come out to surface. This innovation might help recover the economy in Malaysia, as some of the innovation from entrepreneurs is quite good and beyond range of thought. The last one is networking. You can enlarge your networking by making connection with people in different industry or in the same industry as a patient. You can build your networking via online. This means you can have your professional profile on the main social media such as LinkedIn. You can also join online community as there will be information about your career being exchanged. Besides that, you can also do face-to-face networking as it may be a lot easier to meet a lot of people from different fields. You can join webinar or workshop to gain more knowledge about your career path. With networking, you can find a suitable place to work and you can impress your potential employer.
So now we are at the conclusion part. In conclusion, unemployment remains a significant challenge in Malaysia, influenced by both internal and external factors. The structural issues within the labour market, such as mismatches in skills and education qualifications, as well as the economic fluctuations that impact job creation and retention. Government policies play a crucial role in addressing these issues, yet more targeted interventions are needed to foster inclusive growth and reduce unemployment rates. Especially among youth and vulnerable groups. Looking ahead, a holistic approach that combines educational reforms, skill training, and proactive economic policies will be essential in tackling this persistent issue and ensuring a sustainable development for Malaysia's future workforce.